guys, I'm going to do a real quick recording for you. And I'm going to show you how I use Perfectly Clear to edit this photo of Erica. First thing I'm going to do inside Photoshop is right mouse click, and I'm going to convert that to a smart object. Double click. Now I can make changes to this image without affecting the original. I'm looking around. I'm going to fix this up in here first and just touch up real quick any blemishes. Even though Perfectly Clear does it, I like to go through and just get some of the harder ones taken care of. And all I'm using here is my spot removal tool. Now what I should have done is create a new layer up on top and make all my changes on that layer. So I'm going to start over real quick. There. Created a new layer. This way I'm not affecting the original image. Good. Now this piece of hair, I'm going to zoom in real quick. And I'm using a Wacom tablet. Well, actually, Cintiq, so I'm drawing on my screen. So it's a little easier for me to get these fine hairs. There. Got it. Good. Got it. All right, I like where it's at. Using keyboard shortcut Control, Alt, Shift, I'm going to press E to merge these two layers together to make one new layer. Now let's fix your hair. Filter, liquefy. And here we are. I'm going to use the forward warp tool and just push your hair down. If you go overboard, come over here and just hit reconstruct or restore all. If I hit restore all, it goes back to the original. Good. Kind of like that right about here. Good. I'm going to click on the face tool. Bye, Erica. Bye, Erica. Sorry. Right about there. That looks good. And click OK. Now notice what it did up here. It left a little blank area. So once again, grab your spot healing brush and just paint over that area. And boom, it puts it in for us. Now I'm going to save it. Now once I save it as a smart object, the PSB is Photoshop Big. I go back to the original, and here it is, all the changes. Now let's use Perfectly Clear. So I'm going to come over here and click on it. Once it comes up, before and after. Now the reason why it was so quick was because I already did this earlier. I really like how that's looking. The background's a little bright, but that's okay. I'm gonna hit apply, and here it is. Now I can come back over here and click on the layer mask. I'm gonna paint out the effect on the background in about maybe, let's say, 40%. Now, if you look over here, this is white. So if you select black, black is going to paint out or hide the effect. There we go. Now if I paint over it again, it's going to make it even darker. So I went 40% the first time. By painting over it again, I'm hitting another 40%. There we are. Good. Now you see how that makes it pop off the background? There. I like that. So, without the effect, with the effect. Save it. And it's going to bring us back, once I close it out, I'm going to come right back into Lightroom, and here it is. Since I really like this image, I'll press the letter 5 just to give it a ranking. P for select or pick. So now I have that image selected. And from here, there we go. I can right mouse click on it. I can export it to a file. I can put it in Facebook. I can send it anywhere I want. All right, so I hope that helps you guys. I'll send a link on where you can get a discount to Perfectly Clear.